Hello, dear all students. How are you all? I hope you all are be fine and your study also going on well. Let's start the first chapter of the Moment 9 Standard. The first chapter, The Lost Child. This is the story of a lost child. He was going to see the fair with his parents, but he did how he lost himself there, how he find his parents or not. Let's see, and it's very interesting story about a lost child. Let's see. Let's start the topic. A child goes for a fair with his parents. He is happy and excited and wants to the sweets and toys displayed there, but his parents don't buy them for him. Why? When does he refuse when someone else offers them to him? See the story of the child. It was the festival of spring. From the wintry shadows of the narrow lanes and the alleys immersed a galley and the clad humanity. Some walked, some rode on the horses, others sat, being carried in bamboo and bullock's cart. One little boy ran between his father's legs and brimming over with life and laughter. It was the festival of the winter season, springtime of its beautiful timing of the winter and the festival of the spring. From the wintry shadow of the narrow lanes, it is wintry shades and with the narrow streets and the alley immersed with a galley clad humanity. The all state immersed with the humanity and it's very narrow streets and narrow lanes, and but it's all full of with the joy and jest. Some walked, some rode on the horses, some are walking and some are riding on the horses. Others sat, someone sitting nearby them and behind carried in bamboo. Someone carried in bamboo and bullock's cart. Some are coming with the inside the bullock's cart, and one little boy ran between his father's legs. A small little boy ran between his father's legs with his father. One small boy is running with his fathers, and he was full of with life, over with life and laughter. He was full of with the joy of the life and laughter. He was very crazy to go fair with his parents. And now, "Come, child, come," called his parents as he lagged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shops and that lined the way. "Come, child, come," his parents called him. उसके parents उसे आवाज लगाते हैं, come boy, come child, come. And because he was lagging behind, वह पीछे रह जाता, he remained back, वह पीछे रह जाता था, and he was highly fascinated by the toys. He was highly attracted by the toys which are kept in the shops that lined in the way. The shops which are coming in the way on the to the fair, he was highly attracted towards the toy. He hurried towards the parents. He ran towards his parents, his feet running according to the call of their parents. His eyes still staring on the full shops which are full of with the toys. His eyes continued staring that toy shop. As he came to where that he stopped to wait for him. As he came to where that he stopped to wait for him, he stopped there where the parents was waiting for him. He could not suppress their desire, but he couldn't repress his desire. वो अपनी इच्छा को खत्म नहीं कर पाया of his heart, जो कि उसके मन में थी. Even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes, as he already knew that his parents will not allow him to purchase any type of toys from the shops, but he knew very well, but he couldn't suppress his desire. "I want that toy," he pleaded. He making request to the parents, "I want that toy, मुझे वो खिलौना चाहिए." He pleaded. He make request. His father looked at him red-eyed, but his father see him very angrily in his familiar tyrant's way, in his familiar ironically way, and said them no. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender and giving him her finger to hold. But his mother was soft compared to the father, and he was very free spirit type of the day. On that day is everyone free from the another type of burden. So he said them, वो उसे कहती है, "Look child, hold my finger, caught my finger, hold my finger," and said him, और उसे कहती है, "Look child, what is before you. See what is in front of you, what is coming on the way. It was a beautiful mustard field. It's a beautiful, lovely mustard field. It was a flowering mustard field. It's a very beautiful flower of the mustard field. It's pale like melting gold. It's yellow. It's pale like the yellowish gold. And gold as it swept across miles and miles to even land. And it's all looking very beautiful like the gold is blowing here. A group of dragonflies were bustling about on their gaudy purple wings and anticipating the flight of the one black bee or the butterfly in search of the sweetness from the flowers. There's the group of flies were hovering on the field of the mustard. Its purple yellow wings were hovering over the beautiful, lovely yellow flower of the mustard, and just searching is the sweetness from the flowers, and butterflies also hovering there. The child followed them in the air with the gaze till one of them would still its wings and rest. The child was running behind them in the air. It's his gaze. The child was trying to catch them and running behind them until one of them would still its wings and rest and want to touch them wings and would try to catch it. The boy was running behind them to catch them. उनके पीछे दौड़ता है उन्हें पकड़ने के लिए. But it go fluttering, flapping up into the air. But it's lovely butterfly, colorful butterfly, and the bees flying high in the air, in the out of reach of the little kid. इस छोटे से बच्चे की पहुंच से वो बहुत दूर हो जाती है. When he had almost caught it in his hands, और जब वो चाहता है इन्हें पकड़ने के लिए, they hovering up into the air. And then his mother gave a cautionary call. On that time, the mother called him, making him conscious. Come, child, come on the footpath. Don't go in the mustard field. Come on the footpath. Don't run behind the butterfly and that type of insects. So they come with us. He ran towards his parents' galley and walked abreast of them for a while, being, however, soon left behind, attracted by the little insects and worms along the footpath were teeming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine. Some insects are coming out from their hiding places to take the enjoy of the sunshine. And the boy is highly attracted to saw them in the way. Come, child, come. Again his parents called from the shade of the grove where they had seated themselves on the edge of the well. He ran towards them. Again his parents make him call, and again his parents called him. They were sitting nearby on the edge of a well. He ran towards them, and quickly he ran towards to his parents. A shower of the young flowers fell upon the child as he entered. A beautiful flower suddenly fell them when he entered the grove. जैसे ही वो grove के अंदर enter करता है, अचानक से उसके ऊपर फूल गिरते हैं. And he forgetting his parents, and suddenly he forget about his parents, and he began to gather the beautiful raining petals फूलों की पंखुड़ियां. And suddenly he become busy to collect the beautiful petals of the flowers in his hand. But now on that time he heard the cooing of the doves and ran towards his parents. But moment change, suddenly every moment is changed the sighting scenery of the fair. How? See, suddenly he listened the cooing voice of the dove and he ran towards his parents. Suddenly he ran towards the parents and shouting, the dove, the dove. अचानक से उसे डव दिखाई देती है. डव इज द टाइप ऑफ ए बर्ड, फाख्ता, और वो उनके पीछे दौड़ता है. The raining petals dropped from his forgotten hands, और अचानक से the beautiful colorful raining petals dropped out from his hands and he forget about that. वो उनके बारे में भूल जाता है. Come child, come, they call to the child. वो फिर से उस बच्चे को आवाज लगाते हैं, अपने बच्चे को. Come child, come, who had now gone running in wild capers round the banyan tree, and gathering him up they took the narrow winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard field. But he was running behind the dove which was flying towards the banyan tree, and gathering him up to now he become the busy to winding and searching the dove, and again he was going to the mustard fields, and his parents called him, come child, come.